All right, so we're going to talk about a sector that's actually booming right now. It's starting to really percolate. The market is red, and this is when you want to actually dive into these particular altcoins because they are smoldering. Let's go.
Welcome to the Altcoin Hour, your weekly alpha. Yeah, we breaking down the charts, flipping bags, playing smart, from the dips to the moon shots, connecting all the dots. Let's get it. Altcoin Hour.
Oh yes. This is a very good sector, and we're going to talk about it. Welcome to the show, guys. Hope you guys are doing very well. What I have behind here, and I'm going to try to make this real quick, it's an RWA, a tokenized asset dashboard that DeFi Llama has put together. It is a new addition to the actual tools that they have here on DeFi Llama, and I really like this because this is giving us a fantastic view of not only the total issuers, and we're going to go to CoinMarketCap too because there are some new ones too that I want to focus on. We're talking about tokenized assets. We're talking about RWAs, and this market cap is actually starting to explode. 20 billion on chain. And we're talking issuers and we're talking the actual tokenized assets that are on their platforms, their said platforms. $20 billion worth of on-chain market cap, 14 billion when it comes to the active flow. Now, these are phenomenal. And I love the tokenized asset mantra because this is where we are going. Everything is going to be tokenized. Now, currently, you have carbon credits and environmental assets is going to top this particular graph, guys. They are exploding right now. You have RWA yield wrappers and you have tokenized real estate, which I love. I absolutely love. You also have tokenized crypto funds as well. You have exotic RWAs. I got to get into that. I don't even know what that is, but I love the RWA lending as well. You're going to be able to provide borrowing and lending by using RWA or your said asset as collateral. It's pretty interesting there. Tokenized stocks and equities. You do see this on Solana and Ethereum as well, big time. Tokenized gold, tokenized commodities. I'm already involved there. That is beautiful. And you have tokenized funds too, as well. The funds include T-bills, bonds, money market funds, things of that nature. This is booming. This sector is going to absolutely explode. Now, the question is, are you involved? Are you implanted? Do you have some exposure? Let's go ahead and get into the protocols that are involved here, the actual OG protocols that you probably already got in your portfolio that you may need to get more of. All right, let's go. So these OG protocols like Chainlink, Stellar, Hedera, AVAX, you have Ondu and Quant. Ondu is a newcomer as well with a pretty decent market cap at 4 billion because it's going to be well past 100 billion within the next 5 years. These are OGs with the newcomer Ondu essentially. And you have Quant too. Nobody talks about Quant as an RWA protocol, but it is. It has converted, it has actually transformed into that because this is where we're going. These are OG protocols. Now we're definitely going to get into some new ones, but these are the OGs, the Algorand's, guys, which is at 9 cents, is going to be actually facilitating a lot of this activity. All right. It is smoldering at 9 cents, guys. You have to understand, these are great deals. XDC is going to be another protocol as well. And we're talking OGs. We'll round it up with VeChain and Injective. These are all coins that you can get in your bag right now at a discount, guys. These are great projects that have actually going to be facilitating these RWA activities. They are the protocols. We're talking about Injective IOTA, which is at 6 cents. This is going to be a $100 billion platform. And we're talking about protocols, guys, facilitators for this $1 billion activity that's going to actually just grow within the next 5 to 10 years. You're getting these coins at very low discounts right now, and they may even drop even lower. Let's go ahead and get into the newer protocols. So these new kids on the block, we're talking about these RWA protocols. These are coins. These are all coins, guys, that are not on the radar at this point in time. You can find these on CoinMarketCap. I'll put a link to it in the descriptions down there in the comment section. I have to tell you, Graham Gold is one that I am looking at. I am a metal owner, but I would love to get involved with the tokenized side as well because I think you can move a whole lot more briskly when you're dealing with metals that are tokenized. You can use them as collateral. You can do borrowing and lending. You can actually stake and get derivatives, right? Tether just produced that on their platform, basically allowing their shareholders to get derivatives on their tokenized gold holdings. This is where we're going, guys. This is where this is headed. So you have Lufina, which is going to be a new RWA protocol. This is an altcoin that you can invest in, guys. You have Kenka, TMN Global, Credit Coin Mainnet. These are new. That's going to be a L1 actually. That's going to be a protocol. It's going to be like a competitor to Ondu going forward. So these are new networks, guys, that haven't even hit the ground that you can find. You can actually do the research on, get involved with very early. Everything is very red right now. So this is the time to get involved with these newbies. Okay. Now, as we get deep into the new list, these are the ones that are already showing market cap values. You have Figure Helco. That is a $14 billion market cap right now. This thing is flying. This is a dollar coin, right? Dollar per coin. These are RWA protocols that I don't see anybody talking about on X. No one's making videos about this booming market that's headed towards $25 billion in on-chain market cap. And these coins are just ripe for the pickings. They're actually low in price right now. You have BeatSwap, and that ticker is BTX. This is going to be an actual exchange. And the actual basis, the foundation is RWAs, tokenized assets. This thing is not even a cent. It's sub-cents, right? With a market cap at $2.1 million. So again, not financial advice. I'm just trying to steer you towards an altcoin sector that no one's talking about. And you can really take advantage of these very, very low prices because these are not shitcoins. These are RWA protocols. And these are the new ones like Open Eden, and you have multi-bank group as well, MBG. That's going to be a 30-cent situation, very new with a $58 million market cap. This is a very serious sector that's booming right now. And this is what I wanted to bring to you. All right. So what do you think? All right. You got a red market. You got a lot that you can take advantage of. You just got to know where to put the money. You have to know what to buy. You have to know what to embed your actual funds into. Now, not financial advice. Obviously, do your research on these particular platforms, these particular protocols, these RWA protocols, which are going to actually produce lots of gains, guys, going forward. Let me know what you think about the report, and I'll see you in the next video.